Alright guys, we're here today at 305 East Behrend Drive. As you can see, we have the fantastic home here right in front of us. And then as you can see around the community, very nice and quiet, very well kept neighborhood. So let's go ahead and take a quick step on inside. One really nice feature about this home is its location. So you're going to be just about maybe 3 minutes off of the 101. So you are in prime location for lots and lots of things. Alright, so here we are inside. As you can see, you have beautiful new flooring all throughout the home. And you're going to have a really cool design because you actually have two different walkways on both sides. And then your kitchen is actually directly behind this wall here in front of us. One thing I do want to point out is you have a nice, very large storage closet here directly off of your front door. Which you can see wraps all the way around inside there. But once you take a quick step in, you can see you have, of course, your ceiling fan. And then you also have some nice big windows back there that let in tons of natural light. And then once you step back this way, you can see we step into our kitchen area. So you're going to go ahead and have all of your appliances here provided for you, all stainless steel. As you can see, it's like your microwave, your fridge. All of those items are going to stay with the home. So you can see it's a very cool design, very unique backsplash as well. And then off your kitchen, over on this side of the home, you're going to have your guest bedrooms. So your first one is right here, which you can see again, nice big window, as well as a really nice sized room itself. And then a very large walk-in closet as well, which one thing I really like that's kind of unique is you don't actually have a door to your closet, so it makes it feel even more open, and it gives a really nice open concept feel to the home. And then once we step down here, you're going to have your hall bathroom, which you can see a nice shower tub combo back there, as well as your vanity is in here. And then we have the guest bedroom back here as well, which will be your second guest bedroom. And then again, a very nice sized closet, your ceiling fan, large windows all throughout. So this home is very nice, light and bright. And then past the kitchen, back through your other walkway, you're going to have your little laundry room area, which you can see some nice storage area up top, as well as your washer and dryer. Again, that is provided with the home. And then you're going to have your primary. So you can see even larger room with the vaulted ceilings that go all the way up top up there. Some nice big windows for you, as well as your walk-in primary closet. So you can see wraparound shelving all throughout as well. And then again, I want to point out this beautiful flooring that's carried all the way throughout the entire home. And then we're going to have your primary bathroom. So again, nice walk-in shower, as well as another beautiful vanity in here. And then lastly, you're going to have your 2-car garage, which we'll take a quick look at, which is actually right off of your primary bedroom, as well as the main living area. So as you can see in here, this is a 2-car, but I mean, it almost looks like maybe a little bit extended of 2-car, because you have tons of room all the way up here, as well as additional space back by your water heater with some extra shelving for you guys. So as you can see, I mean, tons of space in this home. But that's going to be about it for this property. I mean, if you guys have any questions, you want to come see the home for yourself, you want to apply online, you can do that all through our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.